Hi everyone, and welcome to the Opal and Mommy Baking Show.
Papa. I'm Opal.
And I'm Mommy.
I'm Mommy.
No, I'm Mommy. And today, Opal was really desperate to do a baking show, but it's already almost 5 o'clock at night, so it's about dinner time. So instead of making something fun, we're just going to make good old-fashioned cornbread. You excited?
Mm-hmm.
We turned the oven on to 375. Thanks, Evan, for cooking. Yeah, Violet is trying to be involved here. Alright, first, we're going to pour in a cup of milk. Can you do that? Good job! Not even a single spill. Very good, Opal. Next, we're going to pour in some oil. There's 1/3 cup. Can you pour it in? Very good, Opal. Wow. What's that?
Egg.
All right, we're going to crack it. And we're going to put it in. All right. What do we do once all the ingredients are in there?
I'm a straw.
That's a good idea. Let's get you a fork. All right, there's a fork. Now you can stir.
Another one.
A yellow egg, yeah.
And my fork.
Are you gonna stir?
Mm-hmm.
Stir, stir, stir.
Wow. Yeah.
Is it all stirred?
Mm-hmm. I like the mess.
Oh, okay. Good job. All done?
Uh-huh.
All right. We're going to pour this in the pan, and then we're going to put it in the oven. Thanks, Oven, for cooking.
Just do it in this thing.